The transition into downsizing can be difficult, but with the personalized support, it can be more than just a new home. It can be a lifestyle upgrade. Andy Fagervik of Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction, along with Tisa Johnson of Senior Transitioning Services of Iowa, are here to share how you've partnered to really make this easier for people out there and less stressful, Andy.
Yeah. So, I mean, for most people, there's three main reasons why they need to make a change and why they choose Epcon. Number one is to downsize, get into a home where they can age in place, live a little bit more comfortably, and get into a home that better suits their needs. Number two, they love that low maintenance lifestyle. Don't have to worry about mowing the yard or shoveling the snow anymore. And now they have all that extra time. They have the clubhouse and amenities, so we like to call it a staycation lifestyle. And then the sense of community, living amongst other people, going through similar walks in life. So it is a process, and part of that process is downsizing, and that can be daunting, which is why we've partnered with Tisa so she can help with some of that.
And there's a value into downsizing. Talk to us about that.
Well, for many people, for almost everyone, it seems like a daunting process, and it does take emotional energy and physical energy, etc. But we have found that with some strategy involved to sort of figure out how to put one foot in front of the other, you really can envision the life that you want to see as your next chapter, and the steps, just one in front of the other, that it will take to get there.
Is that kind of why people put it off too? They just don't want to take that first step and think about it?
Yeah, because it's true. It's emotional. There's usually family dynamics going on. Often there are other health concerns, etc. So there's just so many reasons why it feels overwhelming. And often people think this means I'm going to have to go through my whole house one by one, cupboard by cupboard, before I even think about doing it. Getting some extra guidance even about the strategy, thinking about where you would go first, investing your energy in deciding where you go, can really make clear in what order, if you want to do it, how you might go about it.
And so you can provide a personalized plan and really take that emotional aspect out of it, I would imagine.
Yeah. If we have a superpower, it's simply neutrality to the whole situation. So we are able to see our way through it and then also manage the logistics of it, like packing, unpacking, planning, sorting, all those things.
Andy, you mentioned you partnered with her. Talk to us about what that looks like as far as helping people move into an Epcon community.
Yeah, absolutely. So at Epcon, we say that our goal is to help you find life improvement. So yes, Epcon's going to build you the house. We're going to set up the community for you, but we understand there's a road to get there. So from the minute that you talk to our new home specialist, we build the house for you. Everything from the very first time we meet you, we're going to try to make it a remarkable experience. You should never have to go through any phase of that alone. Tisa's another great example of how we're going to be there for you every step of the way. So when you come work with us, if you are struggling to downsize, we understand that you probably haven't even thought about it. 30 years of stuff sitting in a basement, you don't even know what's down there. Tisa's team is awesome at going in there and helping them go through that stuff, get rid of it, prioritize, and she can help you pack and move into your new home too. So if that's something that you need, we're there to support you.
And then you have it right size, like you like to say.
Yeah, right size. Doesn't have to be a downsize. Maybe it's a right size.
You guys have office hours or open hours for people to tour, come by and stop by and see you.
We are open 7 days a week, so whatever day works best for you, we can be there. Our information will be on the screen, so just give that number a call. We're happy to meet you and get the process started.
Always beautiful to see the homes you have, and great advice to learn about this transitional time. Thanks for being here, both of you.
Thank you.
And you can learn more about the floor plans. Just go to clarityconstruction.com or call 515-599-5933. They have 3 locations in Ankeny, Johnston, and Waukee, and you can see more on social media.